Every time when I use a breadboard, I have a question in my mind that why it is called a breadboard. It has nothing to do with bread. Learning with K से पूछती हूँ, उसको ज़रूर पता होगा. In early days, when scientists just started working on the electronics component, they literally used the wooden board lying in their kitchen for the bread. Yes, they actually used the breadboard, and from there onwards, in the modern era, we still use the term breadboard for it. This is how a modern breadboard would look like. You can see there are so many holes to attach different components. You can see these lines here and there. These are called power lines. All the holes in this line are connected to each other in this line also, and same is the case for these lines. These 4 rows are called power lines because sometimes you attach multiple components and give power to all of them, so we need multiple holes for that, so these are called power lines. You can see there is a gap in between this breadboard. This is to attach any IC or some components like that. You can see these horizontal rows. All the 5 holes in these rows are attached to themselves. A closer look. These are the holes I'm talking about. All the 5 holes in a row are attached to each other, but this hole is not connected to this one. Adjacent rows are not connected, only the holes in a row are connected. Similarly, these holes are not connected with this. These are connected to themselves and these are connected to themselves, but these are not connected to each other. Do you want to see the inside circuit of this breadboard? Yeah, this is what most of the people don't know. I have this breadboard. Let's do the dissection of this breadboard. Yeah, now you can clearly see now that these holes which I am talking about all are connected here. And similarly this one and these 5 holes, these are connected, but you can see a gap here. This one, this gap, these holes are not connected to these one. You can see these 5 holes are connected to themselves like this, and these 5 holes are connected to themselves like this, but they are not connected to each other. Now I will use this multimeter to show the continuity of these lines. First I will set it to continuity. This one. Now if the connection is continuous, it will give a beep sound like this. So I will check the breadboard. Let's check using this, because you can see the nibs. These are not going into these holes. That's why we are not hearing any beep sound. Yeah, this one. You can see I attach you can hear. So this complete column is connected. If I check the continuity between this and this, it will not give any sound like this. You can hear. Now means they are not connected. That's why it is not giving any beep sound. Now let's check these horizontal rows. You can hear. So these are connected. If I check this one with this one, it is not giving any sound. Similarly, for this case, it is not giving any sound. If I check in the same row, actually it is getting slipped off. So this one is connected. Let's check this one and this one. It is not giving any sound. Let's check this one and this one. Yeah, they are not connected. So now you have learned about the internal connection of a breadboard. Let's pack it as it is. Some cases where breadboard cannot be used. You cannot use breadboard when you use high current, like greater than 2 ampere, 3 ampere. With the high voltages, you can't use breadboard, and with high RF frequencies. For all those cases, you can work with PCB board, or you must use PCB board in those cases, but because it can cause any serious issue. So that's all for this video.